Hey my loves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sabrina Ayana and this is the first video of Vlogmas 2022. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I've been sick the past couple of days. I had a little cold, but I'm getting better. I'm gonna be back and better than ever. I looked at the calendar and I just could not believe that it was December 1st already. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I really wanted to start Vlogmas. So here we are. Because I was sick, I had just no energy, so I'm a little bit behind on orders and a little bit, I haven't really been able to put the content out that I've been wanting to, but I'm gonna get better and I needed a rest. So I know everything happens for a reason. Here we are with the first video of Vlogmas. This video is gonna be all about my December favorites. So first favorite for December, these are let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 8 products I could find that are all natural products, sharing with you guys that I would 1000% recommend, that are just amazing to me and I can't live without. I have to share them with you guys. So we're gonna start. Everything here is basically like natural, healthy, a little bit into like skin health, body insides and outsides. First product featured in my December favorites is, oh, and I can put a link in the description. Okay, so the first product that I cannot live without and I just need to tell you guys is this meal replacement. So this is called Kachava. I don't know if I've actually talked about this on my YouTube channel before, but Kachava is a protein powder mixed with a meal replacement. So it literally has everything you need. It is 100% plant-based. It has 240 calories for the entire meal and 25 grams of protein, which is pretty great. So I'm just gonna read some of the key points on here, but basically I just have this in the morning. This is the chocolate flavor, but they have so many flavors: vanilla, matcha, chai, coconut. That's my nephew, if you guys can hear him. He's so cute. They have so many different flavors, but I prefer the vanilla and the chocolate just to keep it like kind of simple. But it's no soy, gluten-free, dairy-free, no artificial flavors, colors, anything like that, no preservatives. It has 26 vitamins and minerals. Oh my gosh. 17 greens and veggies. Probiotics, prebiotics for your digestive system. It has blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, acai berries, beets, spinach, cabbage, cucumbers, green onions, asparagus. Oh my gosh, I can go on and on, but literally I think you guys really should check out this Kachava. There's nothing compared to it out there. Trust me, I've looked. A lot of my friends and family are like, oh my gosh, Sabrina, you look amazing. Like, what have you been doing? And all I can say is I literally live by this stuff. It fills me up in the day. I have so much energy and I'm getting the nutrients that I really need. Like, my body, I've really been feeling the changes because for being vegan, sometimes it's hard to find fresh produce like fruits and vegetables in the stores. So, you don't want to be without your nutrition. So when I came across this stuff, literally an advertisement just came up on my phone one day, and I started looking into it. And once I really started researching, I was like, wow, this stuff is really the bomb. So the flavor I actually like, and over time you get more used to it. But the flavor, it doesn't have any like sweeteners or colors in it or anything like that. So it's not, it doesn't taste the best, but if you think about all that's in it, it actually does taste pretty good. So I just mix it with water and sometimes a little bit of almond milk, but I'll usually put like banana, pineapple, maybe some blueberries sometimes, it depends, and ice, and just make a great smoothie in the morning, and it really fills me up. So that's what I have been doing and I feel so good. In addition to that, I really have been wanting to build my muscle and just make sure I'm getting a lot of protein, because I am 100% vegan now, so sometimes it can be a little difficult to find all the protein that I need. So just to make sure that I'm getting enough, this has This only has 6 grams of protein. I literally thought it had more. Well, it's still one of my favorites. I'm gonna include it in the video. I add this to the smoothie if you like peanut butter flavor, which I do. Peanut butter banana, it's like amazing. So this is powdered peanut butter, and it literally, the only ingredients is peanuts. So it has 6 grams of protein, so I really thought it had more. So by the time I add this, it's like 32 grams of protein. Thought I was getting more. So interesting. But oh well, powdered peanut butter is really good, and it makes the smoothie taste amazing. Next product is my turmeric supplements. These are so great. Turmeric has a lot of benefits for your insides, especially your digestive tract and your skin. It just makes your skin glow, and it's very good for your liver, your stomach, all of your inside organs. You know, once you really cleanse your insides, it really shows on the outsides. So I have some scars from acne that I had a couple years ago, and because my skin is very sensitive, the scars are still kind of there, but the turmeric helps your skin just kind of glow from the inside, so it's literally working on your skin. So I would recommend this one because it has 1,000 milligrams. So still speaking of skin and health and all of that good stuff, this is the next product I'm recommending to you guys. This is part of my December favorites. Of course, that's the name of the video. This is a Vietnamese oil called Tamanu oil. This is life-changing. So let me just show you the consistency. It's actually a dark green oil that comes from Vietnam, and it has a lot of benefits to it. One of the benefits is for your skin. I put this on my face every day right after I get out of the shower. It's very good for hydrating your skin, for anti-aging, acne, sunscreen, even. So where I live, it is freezing. Like, it is so cold where I live. I live pretty close to the mountains, and the elevation is pretty sky high. So my skin literally cracks sometimes, and it's not cute. So I just drench myself in this Tamanu oil because it's not so thick. Like, some oils can be sticky and gross. This one is just so clean and so pure. It's 100% cold pressed oil, so you don't have to worry about breaking out or anything like that. But if you have like really sensitive skin or even a rash, you can apply this and you can see a difference by the next day. So I live by this stuff. If I have if I have a breakout or some skin sensitivity for whatever reason, well, the only reason would be because I accidentally had some dairy. That's like the only reason why I really break out anymore, unless I have my cycle and maybe I have a really bad menstrual cycle, then maybe I'll get a breakout. But this stuff is really amazing. It works wonders, and you can put it all over your body. Speaking of skin, it's really important to moisturize your skin, especially, like I said, where I live is just so cold. So this is the Balm Dia Bright Cream from Rio de Janeiro, and the consistency is just amazing. Like, it smells so good. Everywhere I go, people are always like, oh my gosh, you smell amazing, and I'm just like, thank you. All I can say is this is what I use. So I started to get this at, oh my gosh, it almost landed on my dog's head. Every time I film a video, Louis likes to be really close to me. Sometimes things fall on his head when he's taking a nap, so sorry, Louis. Okay, but this stuff is amazing. It has it's infused with fruit and vitamin C, so it really brightens your skin, and the smell is just out of this world. It's amazing, and the scent lasts really long. So I usually just keep this in my purse and apply it like on my hands, because if I don't, my hands get really dry. Gosh, I'm still getting over this cold, guys. Okay, so the next is kind of like a little secret I'm gonna let you guys in. Your skin, it has to be soft, right? Like, it has to. Well, my skin has to be soft, because when my man touches me, he's just like, his mind is blown. But little does he know, I exfoliate all the time with this stuff. So this brand is called First Aid Beauty. They're more of a natural brand. Also sold at Sephora. This is called the Bumpy Razor Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It is safe for sensitive skin, and the formula is just amazing. So I love to exfoliate, but sometimes my skin can kind of get a little bit of an abrasion because the exfoliation can be too rough and my skin is so sensitive. This has AHA in it, and AHA's in it, and it's for sensitive skin. So the formula is just so creamy, and the beads are really, really smooth. But by the time you rub them on your skin, the first time you can feel a difference. And oh my gosh, it changed my skin. Just be sure to use a really good moisturizer or lotion after you use this. So this is literally what I use after, because it's so thick. Even though it's winter, you guys still wear sunscreen, right? I hope so. Well, if you don't, this is one I would recommend. It's by the brand called Super Goop, and this one's called Every Single Day. It is 40 SPF, and the formula is very thick, literally like that. Okay, it's not even coming out. But this stuff this stuff is amazing. It's how often do you find because you guys know, I hope you guys know this, but no matter what skin tone you are, no matter how much melanin you have in your skin, it's really good to just have a little bit of sunscreen. You don't have to wear it all the time, but like, wear it sometimes, especially like on your face in the winter when it's overcast. And because I kind of live close to the mountains, I'm like closer to the sun, so in my head I'm thinking like, it's not so much, I still sunbathe, like I still sit out in the sun, but like sometimes I even stare at the sun. Like I just worship the sun and stare at it, like with my eyes just wide open. So I'm not one of those who are like, oh, stay away from the sun, blah blah blah. I'll never tell you guys to stay away from the sun, but I will tell you to wear sunscreen. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so the last but not least product that is part of my fall favorites, I mean December favorites. Okay, so it's winter time, and I don't like my skin to be so pale. It is just not cute. I don't want to look like I'm dead or like I'm sick. So I found this stuff on Amazon. It is a vegan self tanner. The brand is B-Tan, and the color I use is called I Want the Darkest Tan Possible. This is a violet based self tanner, meaning, so you know when people get self tanner, they look like a little orange sometimes. Well, this is a violet base, so when you put it on, you can just leave it on for like an hour or longer. But I feel like from experience, when I left it on for longer than 3 hours, my skin got way too dry. So I would recommend an hour, let it develop after you take a shower, and it'll continue to develop like for a couple of days, and just make sure to moisturize. But it'll come with a glove to apply it on, like a really soft velvet glove. And yeah, I just apply it everywhere, and literally my body looks like, you know, I'm in the middle of summer in Brazil or somewhere crazy fun, and I'm in the middle of the winter in the snow. But yeah, I cannot have pale skin. So like right now I have not tanned in a while, so right now I do look really pale. But when I start feeling better, maybe I'll put a little bit of this on. But that is the end of my December favorites, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any recommendations of other lotions or moisturizers that are natural, let me know, because I'm thinking of just switching back to coconut oil, because I'm currently using Palmer's, you know, like just Palmer's cocoa butter or whatever. But I was reading the ingredients and they're honestly not that good. So actually they're terrible. So I'm thinking about just switching back to coconut oil and that being my moisturizer. Unless you guys know any natural homemade like moisturizers that are out there, I would totally be willing to try them. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm so excited to start Vlogmas. We'll see how this schedule goes. I don't have a set schedule. I do have content and videos planned. I just don't know how often I'll be able to put them out because of work and so many orders, thank God. Thank you guys if you checked out my Handmade by Sabrina Ayana collection recently and just been supporting me, and just even checking out my page just means so much to me. But there's so much more to come. This is just the beginning. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I cannot wait to do more Vlogmas videos. And yes, have a great night, guys, and thanks for watching this video. See you later.